Hi, I'm Jackie, and today I'll be reviewing the Zomei 18-inch ring light. Okay, first things first, it comes in a huge box like this. So I don't think it would be travel friendly, although I am traveling and I'm thinking of taking it with me, so I don't know what I'm going to do. So once you open the box, you get this amazing case for your ring light. Sometimes you have to buy this separately. So this comes with the case, so it's perfect if you want to travel, if you are a photographer and you are on the go. This case is super helpful to protect and handle your ring light. And here is the star of the show, the 18-inch ring light, which I don't have, which makes me super excited to try this light out. Now this ring light has one temperature, and if you want a warmer lighting, so you go in and put on this plastic compartment here. So if you like a warmer light, if you want to stick to the LEDs light, which is the colder looking light, then you go in with this one here, which is attached to the ring here in the back. So you cannot remove this. You just add this on top if you want to change the light temperature. So I think I'll leave it at that because that's what people are looking for, this type of light. What's next? What else do you get? You get this cute little pouch. It says Zomei, and here you can put your little mounts for your cell phone and for your camera, which I found very cute. You obviously get the stand. You get it like that, and you just have to open it and just bring these down like so. You can obviously put it the way you wish. So it feels very steady. You can really raise your light. It has 3 compartments here, so 3. I usually have only 2 of these in one of my stands, actually all of my stands that I have. So the fact that you can actually extend this very high is super helpful. And it obviously comes with the power cord, which is this here. It's super long, so you can definitely plug it in the plug nearest to you. If you have an extension cord, you can use that as well. So you have a little knob here that you twist, so depending on the intensity that you like. And that is it. That's what you have in the back here. So let me show you quickly. So this is, I believe, the lightest, and you can zoom. It's super bright, which is very helpful if you guys are beauty gurus or photographers. This is super helpful. Alright, so I have attached the warmer plastic, I guess. It's very easy to put on, and let's see how this light looks like. So very yellow. I think the camera does not do it justice, but you will see it now on. So this is the lightest in this. So this light goes very bright, and now I am going to put it behind the camera. I forgot to mention that what I have right now are 2 soft lights, an umbrella, and I have a very small ring light, which I believe is a 10-inch ring light, if I'm not mistaken. I have the lights off, and I'm gonna turn on the light, and I have the warm the orange compartment that you put on if you want like a warmer light. So this is how it looks like. this, let's start with the very dim light just to show you guys how it looks like. So this is with a dim light. Take a good look. Okay, now I'm just gonna intensify the light slightly to see how my image looks. So this is obviously the brightest. Okay, so the brightest would be this here. So it's very intense. Obviously, you wouldn't go with this light so intense unless you're far away. Obviously, you can change the settings of your camera, so the ISO, shutter speed, that will totally help you get the perfect combination of lighting for your videos. Okay, so hold on, I'm just going to turn off my other lights just to see how that looks. So what you just saw before, I had a softbox and a small ring light. Now this is how it looks with the Zomei 18-inch light only. That's the lowest intensity. Medium. And high. So you just have to take it off. Okay, so this is the lowest intensity. Medium.
Looks very nice, actually.
Yeah, medium looks nice. If I were to film with this light only, I think I would go with this here.
And full blast.
And then this is full blast. So if I were to do videos, I think I would go with this intensity, and it looks beautiful. I love how it's illuminating obviously my whole face. I am very pleased with this ring light. So yeah, I have nothing bad to say about this light, and I cannot wait to include it in my videos.